Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is a tutorial video on how to use the Bulletproof YouTube Videos plugin that I created. Using this plugin you will be able to back up your own YouTube videos or even any YouTube video from out there to Google Drive, to FTP, so to one of your servers, or to Dropbox. So these three features are included right now in the plugin, but I plan to extend them in the near future. So let me show you how to configure the plugin. So first of all, you need to install it by clicking on plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, go to the zip file you downloaded and click install now. So don't forget that the zip file you downloaded will have also the documentation in it. So you need to extract the zip file you downloaded and you will find the installable plugin kit in it. So if you downloaded this from Envato Market, don't forget to extract the zip you downloaded and separate the documentation from the plugin kit and install only the plugin kit. Okay, so now let's activate the plugin. And now we can go ahead and configure it. You will find it here in the Bulletproof YouTube Videos plugin. And first of all, we should go ahead and get a YouTube API key. Here, this must be entered here, and this is mandatory for the plugin to work. So to make this work, you should click here. And here let's create together a new project. So let's go to home, click here, click on new project, and let's say Bulletproof Videos, and click create. Now I created a new project. It is called Bulletproof Videos, and once it is created we can get for it API key. Click here, and the Bulletproof Videos project was switched, and now we can go to Marketplace. And here we must enable the YouTube API. So search for YouTube Data API v3. This is it, YouTube Data API v3. Click on it. And once a button appears here, click Enable. Enabling API. And it's done. Now we can go here to menu and click on APIs and services and go to credentials. Here we can create a new API key. So API keys, no API keys to display. Click on create credentials, API key. This is needed to list the YouTube videos that will be used by the plugin. So copy the API key and simply paste it here and click Save API Key Info. Now that we are done with this part, we can go further and configure Google Drive, Dropbox, or our FTP server. So in this video I will show you only the Google Drive part. I will make separate videos for Dropbox and also one for FTP. So I will add all these videos in a playlist so you can check each and every of them in this order. So in this I configured the YouTube API key list. Also here you can enter a list of API keys. So this means that you can enter multiple API keys, each separated by comma, because if you make too many requests to YouTube API, they might throttle you and might limit your access. But you can enter multiple keys here separated by commas. Okay, so now let me show you how to configure the Google Drive API. So first of all, we should go back to the API manager by clicking here. This will redirect us to our API manager. And be sure to have selected the same project, the Bulletproof Videos. Go to Library and search for Drive. You will find Google Drive API, click on it. And you must enable this also. So enabling API for Google Drive. And it's done. Now we can go to APIs and services, credentials, and we have to create a set of credentials also for Google Drive. So for this we will need an OAuth 2.0 client ID. For this, click Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. And here you will be greeted with this warning. To create the OAuth client ID, you must add a product name. So click here, Configure Consent Screen. And here you can select which type you will have. So you can select external, this will work fine, external. And click Create and add a name, testing, and now we can go ahead and click Save. Okay, now we can try again creating credentials. And now it will work. So don't forget to add a name to your OAuth project and select here web application name. Okay, and here a very important step to make is that authorized redirect URIs should be selected by what the plugin suggests. So the plugin will suggest here authorized redirect URI, and this must be exactly the same like the plugin displays it here. So paste it here, and you will be granted probably by this message. Domain must be added to the authorized domain list before submitting. So to solve this, click here on the authorized domain list link, and you will be redirected once again to this settings, and click Edit App. And here in the authorized domains, you should enter the domain name that you are using. So this must be only the domain name without any other info. So just the domain name and extension. Hit enter. It will be created like this, and let's click save. Once we've done this, we can go back here, refresh this page, and once again we can select web application and enter the authorized redirect URI, and don't forget to hit enter here because you might forget here the enter part, and this will be created, and click create. And now Google will create us the client ID and client secret that will be needed to work with Google Drive, and this should be copied and pasted here, and the secret should be copied and pasted here, and click save OAuth info. After this, if everything is working well, you can go ahead and click authorize Google Drive. So click this button, you will be redirected to this page. Click the account you wish to use and which also created the API keys. So don't use different accounts, use the same account. And after you click this account, click allow. Once again, allow. And the plugin will be redirected back here, and reauthorize will appear instead of authorize, and this will tell you that authorization was successful. Now we can go to backup to Google Drive, and here we can create importing rules for the plugin. This plugin menu will be available only after you make these steps. So for example, for Dropbox, this should not be available. So this message appears. And now we are back to our Google Drive menu, and we can go ahead and check our current Google Drive. So I am just accessing now my Google Drive, and let's see what we will get after this. So here it is. This is my current Google Drive. Now we can import videos from keyword search or from our YouTube channel or from YouTube users. The possibilities are endless here. So let me show you how to work with this. We can simply enter a keyword search, let's say short funny, and the plugin will get exactly the same results like you would search on YouTube, short funny. So if you search short funny on YouTube, these videos will get listed. And if you make the keyword search here in the plugin, the same will be imported. Okay. So we can select also a source language, but I suggest that you leave this at English or at any. And we can go here to advanced settings for the plugin. You can change the uploaded file name format. So this will add the video title to the file name that will be uploaded to Google Drive. We can add to this .mp4, so the video format will be recognized. This is the Google Drive directory where the videos will be stored. You can name this in any format. So let's new video. Chunk size, this is an advanced option. This should not be changed unless you have issues with file transfer. And format to upload, you can leave this here at highest quality available. Remember last posted item and continue search from it. If you check this, then the plugin will continue to import older videos from the search or from the YouTube channel that you are importing content from. If you uncheck this, then only the latest results for the query you make will be returned and uploaded. Source channel ID. This is the channel ID from where you wish to import content. So let me show you my YouTube channel. This is it. And this is the channel ID from where I must import if I want to import content from my own channel. So this is the channel ID, and this should be copied here in the source channel ID. And if you don't want to make a keyword search for your YouTube channel but want to import all videos from your YouTube channel, you can add a star to this. The star is a wildcard that means that every video that is found for your YouTube channel should be imported. So this is how you import videos from your channel. So source playlist ID, search videos related to this video ID, published before, after, video topic ID, video event type, video source location, coordinates, channel type, safe search. You can also enable safe search, region code, video caption, video definition, dimensions, duration, license, video type, syndication, search order, embeddable, video category, skip videos older than this date, and short rule description, which will be shown here next to the ID part. So let me rule 1 or code revolution, even better. And now let's go ahead and create this rule. So we save settings, this rule was created, and if we hover this, the description is showed. Okay, so we can go ahead now and run this rule. So if we click run this rule now, then the plugin will start importing and save the video to our Google Drive. Now backup is running and we should see our video saved to Google Drive. So it is a green tick now. We can go to our Google Drive and check the folder that we created, new video. And here it is, the new MP4 that was uploaded from my channel. So now we can run this again. And once again, processing will run. And the video file will be uploaded soon to our Google Drive. So it is running now. And if we check our Google Drive after the processing is finished, we should see the file uploaded. So we should wait a bit for this, because it seems that now it's a file that is larger, a video that is longer, and in case of longer videos, longer upload times will be necessary. So let's wait a bit more. So it is running and it is once again finished. Let's refresh our Google Drive and it just appeared. And so on, we can run importing and create new rules. Let's create also a short funny search query just to exemplify. In this case, we can leave the channel ID blank. Only let's put here short funny. Save settings. We can get back to our drive, no short funny folder, and let's run importing for this query. So a short funny query will be made on YouTube and the result will be saved to our Google Drive. So here it is, a short funny, and the short funny try not to laugh challenge was uploaded. And also we can go to our drive and these videos will be playable. So for example, the new video folder that we uploaded, we can go ahead and play this.
Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. If you don't know me,
okay, so this is the Google Drive part of the plugin. This is how you configure the Google Drive part. You will be able to upload videos to Google Drive if you follow this tutorial video. And also here are some more settings fields for the plugin. Enable logging, detailed logging. So these two features will enable the logging in the plugin. The detailed logging will add more logs. If you have an issue in the plugin, you should check the detailed logging checkbox and run the plugin, and the plugin will generate more logs for you. Logs can be viewed here in the activity and logging section of the plugin here. Here you can also see which rules are currently running, restore plugin default settings, and check the activity log. Okay, so in future videos I will also show you Dropbox uploading and FTP uploading, which are similar to Google Drive, but they have their own steps to make them work. Also, you can automatically clear logs. If we go back to main settings, we can see here that the plugin can automatically clear logs. Timeout for rule running in seconds. This is 1 hour. This should be sufficient for large file uploads. Also, delay between rule running. How many seconds should the plugin wait between consecutive rule runnings, and proxies to be used. So this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this new plugin, and until next time, have a great day. Don't forget to check also the other videos from this playlist, because I will show also Google Drive and Dropbox tutorials. And until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.